What if you could see humanoid robots working alongside humans in factories, warehouses, and other places? What if these robots could do tasks that are too hard, dangerous, or boring for humans? What if these robots could learn, adapt, and collaborate with each other and with humans? This is not a science fiction scenario, but a reality that is happening right now. We once fretted that humanoid robots would snatch away our physical jobs before generative AI emerged as a menace to white-collar work. Now there is a new revolution. BMW will deploy humanoid robots at the Spartanburg plant in South Carolina, where BMW produces its models. This is a major breakthrough for the field of robotics, and it poses many questions and challenges. How will humanoid robots transform the way we make things? What are the advantages and disadvantages of using them? What are the ethical, social, and economic consequences of having robots that look and act like humans? How will they affect the role of human workers, the demand for skills and education, and the regulation and governance of robotics? These are some of the topics that we will explore on our full video. See you there. Figure is a robotics startup that has developed autonomous, general-purpose humanoid robots that can learn and adapt to different environments and situations. BMW has signed a commercial agreement with Figure to bring these robots into its facility. This is the first deal of its kind in the automotive industry, and it shows how BMW is embracing innovation and technology to enhance its production efficiency and safety. The partnership will begin with small quantities of robots and scale up if they meet the performance expectations. BMW and Figure will also explore advanced topics such as artificial intelligence, robot control, manufacturing virtualization, and robot integration. The goal is to leverage the potential of humanoid robots to automate difficult, unsafe, or tedious tasks, and to enable human workers to focus on skills and processes that cannot be automated. The future of car manufacturing is here, and it looks like a human-robot collaboration. BMW and Figure are leading the way in this exciting and groundbreaking venture. Now that we have seen the details of the new factory that will produce humanoid robots for various purposes, let's discuss the benefits and challenges of using humanoid robots in manufacturing. There are many advantages of having robots that can perform multiple tasks, adapt to different situations, and work alongside humans. Some of the benefits are cost reduction. Humanoid robots can help reduce the costs of labor, materials, energy, and maintenance. They can work faster, longer, and more accurately than humans, and they don't need breaks, vacations, or sick leaves. It also reduces the need for expensive and bulky infrastructure, such as conveyor belts, cranes, or forklifts, by moving around freely and carrying objects themselves. Output increase. Humanoid robots can help increase the output of products, services, and value. It works more efficiently and effectively than humans, and it handles more complex and diverse tasks. Space optimization. Humanoid robots can help optimize the space of factories, warehouses, and other environments. They can work in tight and crowded spaces. Safety enhancement. Humanoid robots can help enhance the safety of workers, customers, and society. It works in harsh or dangerous conditions such as extreme temperatures, heights, or radiation, where humans can't or shouldn't. It prevents or reduces accidents, injuries, and damages by avoiding or detecting hazards and by following rules and regulations. These are some of the benefits of using humanoid robots in manufacturing, but there are also some challenges and risks. Some of the challenges are social issues. Humanoid robots also have social implications and impacts, such as how do we ensure that robots are compatible and acceptable for different cultures, values, and norms? How do we foster trust and cooperation between robots and humans? How do we deal with the emotional and psychological effects of interacting with robots that look and act like humans? Economic issues. Humanoid robots also affect the economy and the labor market, such as How do we ensure that robots create more jobs and opportunities than they destroy or replace? How do we ensure that robots distribute wealth and income fairly and equitably? Finally, let's explore the future plans and prospects of this factory of BMW and the broader implications of their project for the field of robotics and society. The new factory that will produce humanoid robots for various purposes is not only a business venture but also a visionary and ambitious project. It is a project that aims to revolutionize the way we make things and the way we live and work with robots. BMW has big plans and aspirations for their project, and they also face big challenges and uncertainties. Some of their plans and aspirations are scaling up. It plans to scale up their production and deployment of humanoid robots in the near future. They aim to produce and sell thousands of robots per year and to expand their markets and applications. BMW also plans to innovate and improve the humanoid robots in the coming years. BMW plans to lead and shape the field of robotics and society in the long term. They aim to set the standards and best practices for designing, developing, and using humanoid robots in manufacturing and other industries. These are some of the plans and aspirations of its factory, and they show how ambitious and visionary their project is. However, they also face many challenges and uncertainties, such as how will they overcome the technical and operational difficulties of producing and deploying humanoid robots? How will they compete and cooperate with other players and stakeholders in the field of robotics? How will they cope with the changing and unpredictable demands and expectations of the market and the society? How will they balance the opportunities and risks of using humanoid robots for different purposes and groups? These are some of the questions and issues that BMW factory will have to deal with, and they will require a lot of creativity, collaboration, and courage. In this video, we have explored how a new factory will produce humanoid robots for various purposes and what it means for the future of manufacturing and society, and its partnership with BMW to deploy humanoid robots. We hope that this video has been informative and interesting, so if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.